Alright, so we are 9017th 25th Avenue Northeast in Seattle. We're the main. So now we're coming back. Right here we have some roots. And this is after the Hydrojet. Sorry, we cannot Hydrojet this line. It's in a poor conditions. All those roots that you guys see there, they are already cut. They are just on the line. After flashing 2 or 3 times, all those roots will go into the main. Hold on. Try to go with the camera in. Okay, all the roots they are loose. There's some roots there on the top. We cannot Hydrojet the line more. Right here we have an issue. There's the share connection right here. Go in. Right there, the share connection with the neighbor. Hold on. Go in a little bit. Right there we have a big problem right there. So it looks like it's a broken pipe on the left side. But this side of the line is really bad, and it's got a belly on the line. There's about 1.5 inches of water. This is the new clean out here on back of the house.